Politricks, but this is Sir P. Now today I'm going to be talking about something that has been happening quite often. You wouldn't know because I can't think of many instances where you're seeing at the news, but a lot of Jamaicans, in particular Jamaicans from Portland, are currently in Haitian cells. What them a do there? The Haitian them catch them in them waters. Either try to do herbs if you going straight, or meat if you going straight. Now, I don't think I've ever spoke about the meat if you going straight. Right? So today we're going to a little bit. Now, before we go any further, let me just offer a word of encouragement to the Jamaicans who, in an effort to bring in more guns, more illegal guns in Jamaica, so 87s can be even better armed. Let me just offer you a word of encouragement right now. Just go and tough it out. Because me know say Haitian JAlLS can't be nothing pretty. As a matter of fact, if I was to go out on a limb, I would say a Haitian JAlLS is probably worse than a Jamaican JAlLS. So just go and tough it out. Whatever I want to get, it's not harsh enough. Tired I want to know. See, enough of these men had honest, respectable careers. Enough of them are fishermen. But it's a fast money. Yeah. It's the overnight riches. It comes with its own set of drawbacks. Right. And one of them is being stuck in a Haitian cell with people who you can't even communicate with because you speak English / patois and they must speak French and Creole. Sorry for no, but me say go and tough it out. But you see the herbs to go straight. I'm going to show you the bigger picture. Right. About, you know the argument say, once the youths them have guns, that are going to just make the whole place get destroyed. I'm going to show you the culture and mindset defeat anything. Listen, you can go for any scholar on want. You can go for any scholar up your favorite university, including the one where signed deal with George Soros to do quote-unquote child development. And make them come tell me say poverty is why Jamaica top murder charge. Education, whatever the case may be, bring them come and make we kill the argument. Even the same herbs going straight, demonstrate say it's Jamaica's culture and mindset why we continue without the murder chance. Right. Think about this. Haiti have so much machine. That's them may give them for herbs. The supply is so great. That's them say, Eva, take them 15 rifles and just give you some herbs. That means them have them for give it. Them have them for dash for. So since them have so much, why Haiti not top the murder chance? Think about that. Haiti have so much machine, so much K, so much 16, so much Matic. That's them can say, yo, give me some herbs. The herbs more valuable than the gun them. Then when you couple it to the fact say Haiti clearly have access to more weapons than Jamaica, then you add it to the fact that Haiti is poorer than Jamaica by far. Remember, Haiti is a real poor country, not Jamaican poor no. Jamaican poor means when enough people are Jamaica say them poor, what them really mean is them broke, which is a temporary thing. Broke is temporary. You see, as bad as things may be in Jamaica economy wise, we have to give thanks because in Jamaica our people have it so good that our poor people can actually be overweight. You go to many poor areas in Jamaica and you'll see say everybody have a big belly in front of them. That means that they're consuming a surplus, right? A caloric surplus. They might eat more calories than they might use. That's how good we have it. A man can be poor in Jamaica and his nickname is Fatter. I can assure you, you can't go no other poor country. You can't go real poor countries in the world and meet no man who poor when you're fatter. So Haiti have more illegal weapons than Jamaica. Poorer, less educated, far more corrupt. Even the JLP and the PNP combined at their most corrupt can't test Haitian politicians' level of corruption. Not only that, when you talk about the history of Haiti, you know enough Jamaicans talk about we are get a fight, cut the crap. In terms of getting a fight, Jamaica can't even compare with Haiti. Remember, unlike Jamaica, the Haitians actually earned their freedom. Haiti was not given their freedom. They took it. When they talk about instability, then when they talk about it come like even nature is against Haiti. It seems as though everything that can go wrong at Haiti. And yet still, this country does not tap the murder chance. Remember, you know, your best and brightest tell you say, but because Jamaica poor, if the youth send us have more money, we wouldn't so much murder. Really? So explain to me what going on in Haiti. Them should have been number one every single year. Every box where you can tick, Haiti ticket. And yet still, Jamaica outshine Haiti for all the wrong reasons. To the point where, over 87s, over 90s and 116s, I say, yo, use some of your machine them there, because you have so much, some herbs there. When you realize there's something wrong with Jamaican culture. May I check the stats? Oh, Haiti if you have 800 murders in a year. Haiti, a country with over 11 million people, must have. There have been years where less than 1,000 people dead in Haiti. Haiti. Remember the Haiti where we hear all your life say, a wicked people them, evil people them, and a be, we be them work and a be a science and dirty people them. Well, according to the maths, guess who dirty are? According to the data, guess who even wickeder? Numbers not lie. Because if you're going to say my country full of wicked people and my country is like in the middle of the table for murder rate and you're one top it, what I say about you? So your favorite fisherman, don't just take herbs for Haiti, which have you gone? Them also do it with meat. It's enough of the animal them are go missing all over Jamaica, enough of them end up in a Portland. Right. After them in Portland, go up on a boat. Remember, so the same man them have the experience from them fishing days. So them get the goat, slice him up, ice him, and carry him down to Haiti. When they reach Haiti, man I say, right, hold them rifle here. It is cheaper for them use Jamaican meat than Haitian meat. Remember, say Haiti have all kind of economic problems, inflation and all that. Not only that, I'm pretty sure Haitian business people are a part of this because if they can get the meat cheaper from Jamaican links and then sell it back, right, that's more profit. So now for the same meat they will get missing from Jamaica, end up in some business place, right, or sell to people at Haiti. Plus, now for the man them will take the meat from the Haitian side, them can now go sell it back directly to the people. Remember, Haiti is always having all kind of shortage. Meat shortage, food shortage. Jamaica have it so good that we can send food go foreign, because Haiti is foreign. Anywhere outside of Jamaica foreign. We can send food go foreign. If you get back machine, the same Jamaica where supposedly their body is so malnourished. So enough man think to them goat. Enough man to them goat. Mr. Fan sent me and things to the goat that St. Catherine. Then turn the goat that Port-au-Prince. Well sliced up and seasoned down. About we going in one Haitian pot. Meat for guns. It's a big trade. So when time they hold on upon the man them drop in a Haitian jail. Enough people at Portland, right? Man come from all over, but mostly Portland, because you know, say, right, them have the experience and I just them base. People just notice them and they go missing. Yo, warm to so and so, I wanna see him. Where him there? I wonder if they take him in. No. People are start finding out, say, hold on, him in want to sell at Haiti. But you know the communication thing already. Haiti have too much problem on their hand for about you and your phone call. When you drop on Haitian sell, you know. But the things they can start pull no legal term. I'm entitled to one phone call. You might get a box in your ears. The things say Haitian. Try to tell the man them boy you're entitled to no phone call, no. You might get a Haitian ears as. Because the last thing Haitians want to see with all them problems are some Jamaicans in them place. Right? I keep up the foolishness. So when man finally get a chance to communicate with Jamaicans, say, you know, say they hold on for me at Haiti. You know, it got already the family, you know, I try cover up and try, because you know, want the community here, say, because the community don't know of him as no man, they mix up, you know, the community know of him as a fisherman, or as, you know, regular youth, they don't know, say. Portland, same story. I start to shape up like we reach Mobile. Youth were used to have honest living and they make an honest bread. All of a sudden, be a Chris Car and beer, and nothing in itself is wrong with youths having Chris Car. But you see, fast money is usually followed by death and destruction in Jamaica. Right? Especially when the Chris Car is bought, right, with money will come from means like this. Because then them know have to go start deal with rivals, because nobody thinks them man go to sit down and watch you alone and carry things out here to go sell. Right? Just like how the scammer them like realize man not just sit down and make you alone have lead sheet. Man want lead sheet too. So man start thief lead sheet, man start rob scammer, and the same thing will go on. Right? They're gonna Haiti. Sorry, they're gonna Portland. Man go start say, oh, so you start to this and that and you bring in this and you sell about this, and you bring in much gun and you sell gun, and all of a sudden you drive clean markets, more markets too. So man start pre-man, rap man start rap man, and next thing you know, be a foolish and start going to the place. That's how it start, right? But with Simon, why you believe say it's because Portland reach Mobile level yet. If it does, right? What the big deal? Youth them just live them life. That them say about this scam and them Mobile too, and we see how that turn out. Right? Your mom tell them say money can't help me like you. Right? So the fast money thing, that's alright for your time, you know. But when it backfire, it really backfire. Right? That's why at the end of the day, nothing beats slow and steady. Right? Because even in my lifetime, enough youths me see go from 0 to millions to Dove Cut in like 2 years, 3 years. Right? 1 minute, he just a normal youth, next minute, he might drive the hottest car and have all the girls, the next year, they might bury him. Or in the bin and sell. And if I try to talk to the youth them, you know them are going to say already, oh, you bad mind me. Right? We are fight against. Alright. When you start going missing, and the man them start get real ugly and start all picnic and missing, and all them forces them. Because man supposed to get this, and then you know so what happened to the man and the woman who was completely innocent. But when you see the man them accuse him say make herbs missing, and so what happened? Tired for one, you know. Portland, be careful. And for the man them, when I make them trips, yeah, when you're lucky, if you get catch, the man them may catch you know, in the mood for carrying you in. Because from me I understand, I be a ball and begging when time Haitian security forces catch them. When Haitians catch them in the water, pure ball and begging because you might not make it to the station. The man they might just decide say, you know what, they can't bother with the paperwork. They can't bother carrying in. Think about it, you are a Jamaican in the middle of nowhere, you're not supposed to be there, a illegal operation upon. If the man them lick you down with a couple rounds and throw over, walk come out of it. what is going to come out tight. So for the people who say, well, my rich family missing, when if me no want to sell, it might die at the bottom of the ocean. So actually the lucky one them will make it to the sell. Right? And at them times worse another earthquake go like Haiti, sell him good a pack up, resources scarce, right? The money on the time, if you feed no more prisoner and I bring no food, come get no more prisoner, food where everybody want right now, the man them probably decide say, you know what, we don't even bother carry them in. Right? Regulars. Right? Make the dolphin and the shark them have them. You play stupid games, you're gonna win stupid prizes. But as me say, the money me there, the Haitian sell them, let's go and tough it out. One set of footprints in the sand. With that song there? One set of footprints in the cell. Showing the kerosene on the family soon work it out for you still. Because let me tell you something about Jamaican culture. You can have a family and two youth in the family and one say, you know say, I want to go study this. Right? I want to go take up an engineering course or a mechanic course or I want to go do electrician course. Let me say, boy, we can't find the money, you know. We can't find the money to send you, so find something else do. But the next one of the family will go take up badness and drop a jail. Drop a jail like Haiti and they may say $2 million for bail him, then find the money fast. The same family will tell one say they can't find the money for him, go do that course, then find the money for bail out. J-Bad fast, I wonder where he come from. By any means them find the money. Anyway, I can see it play out now. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Blessed.